Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can add and edit sticky notes to your designs and projects on Canva. So let us get started. Head over to Canva, and what you want to do, guys, in the first step is head over to elements here on the left toolbar and use the search bar here at the top and type in sticky note, for example, or as you can see, I already used it in one of my recent searches. So let me click onto it. And after that, click into see all here next to sticky notes. And you will see a list of all available sticky notes. So simply click on one of them. That is going to add it here to your project. So below you will see the author name. And here at the top you may simply click into add text and type in your text. And that's basically it. Now, of course, you may customize and edit the text of your sticky note. Adjust the font size, change the font itself, change the font color, use bold letters, italic letters, and so on and so forth. So guys, that's one thing. What you may do also is change the background color of the sticky note. Simply select it. And after that, click into color here and select one of your colors here, or go into that color palette here and select your custom background color. So guys, that's one way. The other option would be, let me just click off here to make or to unselect that sticky note. And the other option would be to simply press S on your keyboard. And that is going to add a completely new sticky note so that you may now adjust its size and its position and so on and so forth and customize it. What you may do also, guys, is sort all of your sticky notes on your design or canvas by clicking on sort here and simply sort by topic, color, and name or reactions. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. As you can see, it is super simple. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.